Buying the right laptop is crucial for photographers. Not only do you need a machine that can handle high-resolution images and editing software smoothly, but you also want something portable, durable, and with excellent display quality. With the right laptop, you can work efficiently, whether you're in a studio or out in the field. In this video, we're diving into our top 5 picks for the best laptops for photographers in 2024. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. So let's get started. Number 5. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15 is a powerhouse that combines style, performance, and portability in one sleek package. With its stunning 15.6-inch Infinity Edge display, you get an almost borderless view that makes working on detailed photo edits a pleasure. The 4K resolution ensures that every detail is crisp, which is essential for photographers who need precision in their work. The color accuracy is top-notch, covering 100% of the Adobe RGB spectrum, which means your images will look exactly as they should when you're editing them. Performance-wise, the XPS 15 is no slouch. It's equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and up to 64 GB of RAM, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're running Photoshop, Lightroom, or even some video editing software, this laptop can handle it without breaking a sweat. The NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics card also ensures that rendering and processing times are kept to a minimum, which can be a significant time saver for photographers with large projects. The build quality of the Dell XPS 15 is another area where it shines. The carbon fiber and aluminum construction not only make it look and feel premium, but also add to its durability. Despite its robust build, it remains relatively lightweight, making it a great choice for photographers who need to edit on the go. When comparing it to other laptops on this list, the XPS 15 stands out for its balance of performance, build quality, and display. However, while the XPS 15 excels in many areas, it does have some competition. For instance, the Apple MacBook Pro offers a different kind of display quality with its Retina display and also integrates well with other Apple products. But if you're looking for a Windows-based system that offers a fantastic blend of power, display quality, and portability, the Dell XPS 15 is hard to beat. Number 4. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch is a favorite among many photographers, and it's easy to see why. The Retina display with True Tone technology offers exceptional color accuracy and brightness, making it a delight for photo editing. The P3 wide color gamut ensures that colors are vibrant and true to life, which is crucial for photographers who need their edits to be precise. The display's resolution is also impressive, allowing for fine details to be seen clearly. Under the hood, the MacBook Pro is powered by Apple's M1 Pro or M1 Max chip, which provides incredible performance and efficiency. These chips are designed specifically for professional workflows, making them ideal for photographers. Whether you're working with large RAW files or multi-layered Photoshop projects, the MacBook Pro can handle it all with ease. The unified memory architecture means that everything runs smoothly, even when you're multitasking with several demanding applications open at once. One of the standout features of the MacBook Pro is its integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you're already using an iPhone or iPad, the seamless connectivity and continuity features can significantly enhance your workflow. For example, you can easily transfer photos between your devices using AirDrop or use your iPad as a secondary display with Sidecar. This level of integration is something that other laptops, like the Dell XPS 15, can't offer. In terms of build quality, the MacBook Pro is second to none. The unibody aluminum design is not only sleek and stylish, but also incredibly durable. The keyboard and trackpad are also excellent, offering a comfortable typing and navigation experience. Compared to other laptops on this list, the MacBook Pro might be on the pricier side, but its performance, display quality, and ecosystem integration make it a worthy investment for serious photographers. Number 3. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is a unique offering in the laptop market, especially appealing to photographers who value multitasking and screen real estate. What sets this laptop apart is its dual-screen setup, featuring a 15.6-inch 4K OLED main display and a secondary 4K ScreenPad Plus. This innovative design allows you to have your photo editing software on the main screen while keeping your tools and secondary apps on the ScreenPad, enhancing your productivity and workflow efficiency. The main display of the ZenBook Pro Duo is stunning, with vibrant colors and deep blacks thanks to the OLED technology. It covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring that your photos look their best. The secondary display is also touch-enabled, adding an extra layer of functionality that can be incredibly useful for photographers. Whether you're using it to display reference images, palettes, or additional tools, the ScreenPad Plus can significantly enhance your editing process. Performance-wise, the ZenBook Pro Duo is a beast. It's equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and an NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card, making it more than capable of handling heavy photo editing tasks. The ample RAM and fast storage options ensure that everything runs smoothly, even when dealing with large files and multiple applications. In terms of raw power, it's comparable to the Dell XPS 15 and the MacBook Pro, but the dual-screen setup gives it a unique edge. One area where the ZenBook Pro Duo shines is in its build quality and design. The laptop is solidly built, with a premium feel that matches its high-end specs. The ergonomic design, with the keyboard pushed down and the ScreenPad Plus angled up, makes for a comfortable typing and viewing experience. Compared to other laptops like the Razer Blade 15 or the HP Spectre X360, the ZenBook Pro Duo's dual-screen setup is a standout feature that can significantly enhance a photographer's workflow. Number 2. Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition. The Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition is a top contender for photographers looking for a powerful, stylish laptop that can handle the demands of professional photo editing. The 15.6-inch 4K OLED display offers stunning color accuracy and brightness, making it perfect for detailed photo work. The display covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring that your images are displayed with vibrant, true-to-life colors. Under the hood, the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition is a powerhouse. It's equipped with an Intel Core, i7 or i9 processor and an NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card, making it one of the most powerful laptops on the market. This level of performance ensures that it can handle even the most demanding photo editing tasks with ease. Whether you're working with large raw files or complex multi-layered projects, this laptop won't break a sweat. One of the standout features of the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition is its build quality and design. The CNC milled aluminum chassis gives it a sleek, premium look and feel, while also ensuring durability. The keyboard and trackpad are also excellent, providing a comfortable and responsive typing and navigation experience. Compared to other laptops on this list, like the MacBook Pro or the Dell XPS 15, the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition stands out for its combination of raw power and build quality. In terms of connectivity, the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition offers a wide range of ports, including Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and HDMI, making it easy to connect all your peripherals and accessories. This level of connectivity is comparable to the Dell XPS 15, but with the added benefit of the Razer's dedicated graphics card, which can be a significant advantage for photographers who need that extra bit of power. Overall, the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition is an excellent choice for photographers who need a high-performance laptop that looks as good as it performs. Number 1. HP Spectre X360 15T. Topping our list is the HP Spectre X360 15T, a versatile, high-performance laptop that offers everything a photographer could need. The 15.6-inch 4K OLED display is a standout feature, providing stunning color accuracy and brightness. The display covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring that your photos look their best. The touchscreen functionality adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing you to interact with your images in new and creative ways. Performance-wise, the Spectre X360 15T is equipped with the latest Intel Core processors and an NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics card, making it more than capable of handling demanding photo editing tasks. The ample RAM and fast storage options ensure that everything runs smoothly, even when working with large files and multiple applications. In terms of raw power, it's comparable to the Dell XPS 15 and the MacBook Pro, but with the added benefit of the convertible design. One of the standout features of the Spectre X360 15T is its versatility. The 360-degree hinge allows you to use the laptop in various modes, including tent, stand, and tablet mode. This flexibility can be incredibly useful for photographers, whether you're reviewing your portfolio with a client, editing photos on the go, or using the laptop as a tablet for drawing and annotations. Compared to other laptops like the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo or the Razer Blade 15, the Spectre X360's convertible design offers a unique advantage. In terms of build quality and design, the Spectre X360-15T is top-notch. The sleek, premium design is complemented by a sturdy aluminum chassis, ensuring durability. The keyboard and trackpad are also excellent, providing a comfortable and responsive typing and navigation experience. When comparing it to other laptops on this list, the Spectre X360-15T stands out for its combination of performance, display quality, and versatility. There you have it, our top 5 best laptops for photographers in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.